Well, here we go again. Another RV issue. Yes, RV life does present its issues at times. Hey, my old water heater, I discovered this morning, was leaking. So I did not know what it was. I opened up this compartment, which I store my water hoses in, and it was dry. So, because I thought it was my water tank at first, because I keep water in it just in case the park water gets shut off from time to time. So, anyhow, so I drained my water tank, and that wasn't it. I managed to get the bottom bar of my sofa off without having to fold my sofa back up, because I've got cats on my sofa. Anyhow, I managed to get I got the bar off my sofa. Start that again. I got the bar off my sofa and looked under it. Well, let me go show you. Okay, so this is under my sofa. My water tank is drained. My water pump is down at that end of, you can't see it, of the water tank. But look at my water heater. It is wet. That wood is wet underneath it. Last night I discovered a small wet spot on my rug, and I thought, oh, one of the dogs just spilled a little bit of water, no big deal. I was so tired that I just left my dehumidifier on. It was just a small spot. Thought nothing of it. This morning, it was still there. And I thought, that's not supposed to be like that. So at first I thought it was either my water tank leaking, or my water pump leaking, which hasn't been in use for a while anyhow. So I don't know why it would be leaking when it's not even on, but I don't know these things. So I got the bottom panel of my sofa off, and yeah, that doesn't look good, does it? So apparently this thing's leaking, which is my Atwood water heater. So after turning off the water to the RV, draining my water tank, thinking maybe it was it, came back in and did some more. Those were just quick response things to do. And then I got the panel off the bottom of my sofa and noticed how yucky the water heater looked, and then I realized it's been leaking. So this is beyond my capacity. So this means I've got to call an RV repairman. Fortunately, they do have these water heaters on sale. Unfortunately, they're still $440 plus tax. Nice. I'll give Simon a call, my RV guy. Not what you want to wake up to. Okay, so good news so far is that the RV guy, Simon, is back on his way to take out the water heater. And the water heater actually looks pretty good. He pulled, let's see if I can get this with the camera. There we go. He pulled that corner. And the tank itself looks good. We'll see what it looks like on the bottom. But I think it looks pretty good from the top. So they're going to pull it out just to be sure and replace the rotting board underneath. And we'll see if the floor got any damages as well. But so far, everything doesn't look really bad, so maybe I caught this in time. I'll keep you updated. A little bit more in a bit. They're on their way. Water heater's taken out. Doesn't look good. The floor is actually still pretty firm though. But that wet carpet is not a good sign. Oh jeez. How far in does it get wet?
I'm gonna put a line right here.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw all the wires though.
Just cutting the wet carpeting away. Did not have to get a new water heater. That's the best news because those babies are expensive. So just gonna do a little cleanup. And actually I think I'll just straighten out my rug and clean it up tomorrow. Because my poor puppy dogs still have to go outside. So I will catch y'all later. Bye-bye. Have a good night.